Definitely. Let's get into some fun. Your top 3 favorite items. What are they?
From the past collection?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, you know what? We could do from your whole collection.
Okay.
Anything. Your top 3 favorite.
Okay. Definitely my Monet dress, which is the big blue gown. Love that baby. That's like my child back there.
As you should. You probably spend like hours. Probably like 15 hours.
It's probably more than that, honestly.
See, I was close. I be in the lab.
Yeah. It was, that thing was brutal, but definitely my baby. Second in line would definitely be the one behind me, which is like a jumpsuit with the sequin and fringe overlay. And then third in line, third in line is probably a tie between my black fringe garment and probably my yellow one that I did in my first collection, which is similar to the blue, but a little bit smaller scale.
Okay. And what was, I'm gonna guess that the lily dress, the blue dress, that's the name of it, right? Was that the last, the blue dress?
The big blue one?
Yes. Monet,
yeah,
sorry. Was that dress the last dress you made? Like that the idea came last?
Pretty much.
It's always the last. It's always the last one. The pressure. What am I gonna do? Yes, the urgency. So what inspired you? What inspired that dress to be creative?
For me, as a brand and just like my own personal aesthetic, I love color, texture, volume, the dramatics, basically. And so I was like, how can I make a moment? How can I make an impact? Something that's obviously going to take a lot of attention, but I don't need all the bells and whistles of having sequins or the dramatics. So all the dramatics was just in color and in the form of the actual gown.
Yes, it's definitely an art to just staying in your lane and knowing which elements you want to pull to make that splash. And you've definitely done that with the tulle ruffles. I loved it. I was like, the color pop, and then when you like look at it, I'm like, man.
Yes. Thank you so much. That means a lot.
Yes, but yeah, I could definitely tell because I have a little bit more insight, but I was like, yeah, she probably made this dress last. This concept probably came last. I was like, 9 out of 10 is last. And I was right. I know it.
You're right. You got it.
I know it.